Imagine standing under a night sky so vast that even the wildest dreams cannot grasp its magnitude, a place where light from distant stars has traveled for millions of years just to reach your eyes. But what if I told you that for all its brilliance, space hides secrets so astonishing that they could challenge everything you thought you knew about the universe? From planets made of diamonds to storms that rage for centuries, the cosmos is a treasure trove of mysteries that defy imagination. In this video, we are about to embark on a journey across the stars, uncovering 50 astonishing space facts that will leave you questioning the limits of what is truly possible. Whether it is the surprising truth about sound in the vacuum of space or the unimaginable scale of cosmic structures, you will not want to miss a single moment of this interstellar adventure. So get ready to have your mind blown as we unravel the wonders that make the universe more extraordinary than fiction. Now turning to the first astonishing fact, space is completely silent. Unlike Earth, where sound travels through air and other mediums, space is a vast vacuum, entirely devoid of the air molecules required to carry sound waves. This means that no matter how loud an explosion or a collision might be out there, it would happen in complete silence. Imagine watching something as dramatic as a supernova, yet hearing absolutely nothing. To communicate in these conditions, astronauts depend on radio waves, which do not need a medium and can travel through the emptiness of space. These radio signals are transmitted through headsets, allowing astronauts to talk to each other and to mission control back on Earth. It is both eerie and fascinating to consider that, in the grand theater of the universe, there operates a profound and eternal quiet. Now turning to the second mind-blowing fact, the hottest planet in our solar system is not the one closest to the Sun. While Mercury sits nearest to the fiery ball of light, it is Venus that takes the title for the highest temperatures. This might seem surprising at first, but the reason lies in Venus's extraordinarily thick atmosphere. Made up mostly of carbon dioxide, this dense layer creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat so effectively that temperatures on Venus can soar to nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit. To put that into perspective, this is hot enough to melt lead. Unlike Mercury, which lacks a substantial atmosphere and experiences extreme temperature swings between its day and night sides, Venus remains blisteringly hot at all times. This thick atmosphere also gives Venus its iconic yellowish-white appearance, as clouds of sulfuric acid swirl endlessly above its surface. The combination of intense heat and crushing atmospheric pressure makes Venus one of the most hostile places in our solar system, a stark reminder of the powerful forces at play in the cosmos. Moving forward to our third astonishing fact, let us venture to the gas giant Jupiter, home to one of the most fascinating phenomena in the solar system, the Great Red Spot. This colossal storm has been raging for over 3 centuries and is so massive that it could fit 2 Earths side by side within its swirling vortex. Imagine a hurricane on Earth, but magnified to an unimaginable scale and persisting for hundreds of years. The Great Red Spot's reddish hue and turbulent motion have captivated astronomers for generations, yet its longevity remains a mystery. Scientists believe that Jupiter's lack of a solid surface and its fast rotation completing a day in just under 10 hours play a role in fueling this unyielding tempest. The storm's swirling beauty, observed through both ground-based telescopes and space probes like the Juno mission, offers a mesmerizing insight into the immense power and complexity of planetary weather systems. Despite centuries of study, questions linger. Why has this storm lasted so long, and what could eventually bring its incredible reign to an end? As researchers continue to unlock Jupiter's secrets, the Great Red Spot stands as a testament to the unimaginable forces at work in our universe. Now turning to the next mind-bending fact, let us set our sights on Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition. However, as we delve deeper, we find that Venus is anything but ordinary. Did you know that a single day on Venus is actually longer than an entire year? This striking fact is due to Venus's incredibly slow rotation, which takes 243 Earth days to complete just one spin on its axis. In contrast, it only takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. This means that during one full orbit around the Sun, Venus experiences less than one full day. Imagine watching the Sun rise in the morning and not seeing it set for months and months. This unusual rotation also contributes to Venus's extreme climate. With one side of the planet facing the Sun for such an extended time, temperatures soar to suffocating highs, while the thick atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide hits the planet and traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. The slow rotation and thick atmosphere also generate powerful winds and clouds of sulfuric acid, making Venus one of the most inhospitable places in our solar system. As we continue to study this hellish yet fascinating planet, Venus reminds us of the vast differences that can exist within our own planetary neighborhood. What other secrets might this enigmatic planet hold? The journey to uncover them is only just beginning, and it is a trip that promises to reveal even more surprising truths about our solar system. Now turning to the next awe-inspiring fact, let us delve into the mysterious world of neutron stars. These remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova are some of the universe's most extreme objects. Imagine this: just one sugar cube-sized piece of a neutron star would weigh billions of tons. To put that into perspective, that tiny amount of material would weigh as much as a mountain here on Earth. This staggering density occurs because during a supernova explosion, the core of a massive star collapses under the force of gravity, compressing its mass into an incredibly small volume where atoms are crushed so tightly that protons and electrons merge to form neutrons. The result is a neutron star, an object with gravity so intense that it can warp space and time around it. These stars are typically only about 20 kilometers in diameter, roughly the size of a city, yet they can contain more mass than our Sun. Their gravitational pull is so immense that if you were somehow able to stand on the surface of a neutron star, which is impossible due to the extreme conditions, you would weigh millions of times more than you do on Earth. This gravity also powers their intense magnetic fields, which are billions of times stronger than Earth's, and sometimes makes them spin at incredible speeds, with some neutron stars completing hundreds of rotations per second. These spinning neutron stars are known as pulsars, emitting beams of radiation that sweep across space like cosmic lighthouses. Neutron stars challenge our understanding of physics and push the boundaries of what we know about matter and the universe itself. What other mysteries might they hold? The more we study these dense celestial objects, the more we uncover the extraordinary forces that shape our cosmos. Moving forward to yet another mind-boggling revelation, let us explore the dazzling world of 55 Cancri, a planet so extraordinary it is often referred to as the Diamond Planet. This incredible exoplanet, located around 40 light-years away in the constellation of Cancer, challenges everything we thought we knew about planetary formation. Unlike Earth, which has a crust largely composed of silicates, 55 Cancri is rich in carbon. Under the planet's immense pressure and extreme temperatures, scientists theorize that this carbon could crystallize, forming diamond-like structures deep within its interior. Imagine an entire planet where diamond could make up a significant portion of its mass. This fascinating world orbits so close to its star that 1 year on 55 Cancri lasts less than 18 hours, and its surface temperatures can reach nearly 2,000 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest and most extreme environments ever discovered. Despite its proximity to its star, the planet is likely tidally locked, meaning one side perpetually faces the searing heat of its sun while the other remains in constant darkness. The scorching conditions on this distant world, combined with its unusual chemical makeup, make it a prime candidate for scientists seeking to understand how planets evolve under such extraordinary circumstances. The very possibility of a world partially made of diamond not only captures our imagination, but also serves as a testament to the diverse and astonishing variety of planets that exist in our universe. What other treasures might be hidden among the stars waiting to be discovered? Now turning to a phenomenon much closer to home, let us delve into the intriguing fact that the Moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. This might sound surprising, but our natural satellite moves approximately 3.8 centimeters away from us every year. This gradual separation is caused by tidal interactions between the Earth and the Moon. Essentially, the gravitational pull of the Moon creates tides in Earth's oceans, and as these tides move, they exert a small amount of energy on the Moon, nudging it farther into space. While this change may seem insignificant on a yearly basis over millions of years, it could have profound effects. For example, the increasing distance will alter the appearance of solar eclipses. As the Moon moves farther away, it will eventually appear smaller in our sky, and one day it will no longer completely cover the Sun during an eclipse, bringing an end to the total eclipses we experience today. Additionally, this gradual drift impacts Earth's rotation, ever so slightly slowing it down over time. Millions of years from now, a day on Earth will be longer than it is today, lasting about 25 hours instead of 24. These subtle yet fascinating changes remind us of the intricate dance between celestial bodies and how even the smallest of movements can ripple into significant consequences over the vast stretches of cosmic time. The ever-widening orbit of the Moon is a silent but captivating testament to the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of our universe. As we marvel at this celestial relationship, it sparks the question of what other unseen forces might be shaping our cosmic neighborhood. As the next phase of this cosmic story unfolds, let us focus on a fascinating insight connected to the Moon's gradual retreat. Over millions of years, as the Moon continues to inch away from Earth, our planet's rotation will slow down in response. This slowing rotation means that the length of an Earth day will eventually stretch beyond the familiar 24 hours and extend to 25 hours. Just imagine the implications of an extra hour in each day. While this shift might seem minor initially, it is a profound reminder of how celestial mechanics can shape life on Earth, even in the most subtle ways. The interaction between the Earth's rotation and the Moon's gravitational pull is like a cosmic dance, quietly altering the rhythm of time itself. Though this change will take place over an unimaginable timescale of millions of years, it highlights how interconnected our planet is within the larger tapestry of the universe. This revelation about the eventual lengthening of Earth's days encourages us to consider how even tiny, gradual processes driven by natural forces can lead to extraordinary transformations when given enough time. It leaves us wondering what other gentle yet powerful mechanisms could be at work, slowly sculpting the future of our cosmic environment. Now turning to the next fascinating revelation, let us venture to the red planet Mars, home to the largest volcano in the entire solar system, Olympus Mons. This colossal shield volcano stands at an astonishing height of about 13 miles, making it nearly 3 times as tall as Mount Everest, Earth's highest peak. Its width is equally mind-blowing, spanning roughly 370 miles, which is comparable to the entire state of Arizona. To put its immense scale into perspective, if you were to stand at the base of Olympus Mons, its summit would be so far away that it would disappear beyond the horizon due to the planet's curvature. This gigantic volcanic structure was formed by countless eruptions over millions of years, with its lava flowing across vast distances, creating its sprawling, gently sloped profile. What makes Olympus Mons even more remarkable is the fact that the lower gravity on Mars compared to Earth allowed it to grow to such an extraordinary size without collapsing under its own weight. As we marvel at this volcanic titan, it serves as another breathtaking reminder of the extremes that exist in our solar system, showcasing not only the unique characteristics of Mars, but also the incredible forces that shape planetary landscapes. It leaves us wondering what other awe-inspiring phenomena await discovery on this captivating red world. Moving forward, we shift our gaze from the surface of Mars to the vast expanse of the universe, where we find one of the most mysterious and puzzling regions ever discovered, the Boötes Void. This colossal cosmic anomaly is a region of space so empty that it defies our understanding of how galaxies are distributed throughout the universe. Spanning an incredible distance of approximately 700 million light-years across, the Boötes Void contains remarkably few galaxies compared to the surrounding areas. To put this in perspective, in a typical region of this size, astronomers would expect to find thousands of galaxies, yet within the Boötes Void, fewer than 60 have been identified. Its discovery has sparked countless questions and theories among scientists. One theory suggests that the void could be the result of multiple smaller voids merging over time, creating this immense empty space. Another idea speculates that it might be linked to the mysterious forces of dark energy, which could be influencing the universe's structure in ways we are only beginning to uncover. What makes the Boötes Void so fascinating is how it challenges the assumption that matter is evenly distributed across the cosmos. This gigantic emptiness serves as a stark reminder of how little we truly know about the universe and its enigmatic makeup. With every revelation like this, we are compelled to dig deeper into the secrets of space, driven by the endless curiosity to understand the unimaginable vastness of the cosmos. Now turning to one of the most extraordinary phenomena in the universe, let us explore the mind-boggling density of neutron stars. Imagine compressing the entire mass of Mount Everest, one of Earth's most colossal natural structures, into a size no bigger than a sugar cube. That is precisely the level of density found in neutron stars. These remnants of massive stars left behind after a supernova explosion are among the densest objects in existence, second only to black holes. The gravity of a neutron star is so intense that it forces atoms to collapse under their own weight, squeezing protons and electrons together until they merge into neutrons. This extreme compression creates a material so dense that just a spoonful of it would weigh billions of tons. To put this into perspective, that weight is equivalent to the combined mass of all the humans on Earth multiplied several times over. The gravitational pull of a neutron star is equally astonishing, being hundreds of billions of times stronger than what we experience on Earth. Standing on its surface, if that were even possible, would crush any matter into atoms instantly. This unparalleled density and gravity not only make neutron stars a scientific marvel, but also a profound reminder of the universe's extremes, where the laws of physics are pushed to their absolute limits. Each discovery about these celestial objects deepens our understanding of the incredible forces at play in the cosmos, leaving us in awe of the mysteries that remain to be unraveled. Moving forward to one of the most iconic and mesmerizing features in our solar system, let us uncover the fascinating details of Saturn's stunning rings. At first glance, these rings appear grand and majestic, stretching over hundreds of thousands of kilometers wide. But here is the surprising twist: these colossal structures are, on average, only about 10 meters thick. Yes, just 10 meters. To put that into everyday terms, that is roughly the height of a two-story building. The contrast between their immense width and paper-thin thickness is truly mind-boggling. Saturn's rings are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains of sand to massive boulders. These particles are remnants of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons that were torn apart by Saturn's powerful gravity. The dazzling brightness of the rings comes from their icy composition, which reflects sunlight beautifully. Saturn's rings also carry a rich history of discovery, with missions like NASA's Cassini spacecraft providing breathtaking images and revolutionary insight. Cassini's exploration revealed intricate details about the ring's structure, including mysterious gaps and patterns created by Saturn's moons. These discoveries remind us that even the most familiar celestial wonders still hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. With their delicate beauty and cosmic scale, Saturn's rings remain a striking example of the universe's ability to surprise us with both grandeur and fragility, leaving us to marvel at the intricate balance of forces that shape the cosmos. Now turning to a glimpse into the distant future of our solar system, let us uncover a truly startling fact about the Sun's eventual transformation. Far from remaining the steady, life-giving star we know today, the Sun is fated to undergo a dramatic and fiery metamorphosis. Scientists predict that in about 5 billion years, the Sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and begin the next phase of its life cycle, expanding into what is known as a red giant. During this phase, its outer layers will swell to hundreds of times its current size, engulfing Mercury and Venus entirely. But here is where things get even more unsettling. Earth might not be spared either. As the Sun grows, its massive heat and radiation will likely strip away our planet's atmosphere and boil its oceans, rendering Earth uninhabitable long before the fiery edge of the Sun's expansion reaches it. This transformation will not just affect our solar system on a surface level. It will fundamentally change the balance of gravitational forces and could even alter the orbits of the outer planets. Eventually, after its red giant phase, the Sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a hot, dense core known as a white dwarf. This white dwarf, no larger than Earth but immensely dense, will mark the final stage of the Sun's life. The story of the Sun's ultimate fate reminds us of the impermanence of even the most seemingly eternal celestial objects and underscores the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the universe. It is a humbling reminder that everything, even the stars that light up our skies, has a life cycle, and yet this transformation will pave the way for new cosmic phenomena, as the remnants of the Sun's outer layers will create a glowing planetary nebula, a breathtaking spectacle in the vast tapestry of space. Moving forward, let us venture into the mysterious and mind-bending world of black holes, where the laws of physics as we know them are stretched to their limits quite literally. One of the most fascinating and bizarre phenomena associated with black holes is something called spaghettification. At the heart of a black hole lies its event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape. As an object approaches a black hole, the gravitational pull becomes unimaginably intense, and here is where the magic, or terror, happens. The difference in gravitational force between the side of the object closer to the black hole and the side farther away becomes so extreme that the object is stretched into long, thin shapes resembling strands of spaghetti. Imagine this: if a spaceship or even a person were unlucky enough to fall into a black hole, the stronger pull on their feet compared to their head would stretch them out in a process scientists call tidal stretching, or more evocatively, spaghettification. Yet this is not just a theoretical concept, it is a direct consequence of Einstein's general theory of relativity. The immense gravitational forces near a black hole warp not only physical objects but also space and time itself. While no one has witnessed spaghettification firsthand, computer models and simulations allow us to visualize how the process unfolds, providing a hauntingly vivid glimpse into what it might look like. This phenomenon serves as a striking reminder of the sheer, almost incomprehensible power of black holes. These cosmic enigmas do not just consume matter, they transform it, challenging our understanding of existence itself. But this is only scratching the surface of the enigma that black holes represent. Stay tuned as we dive even deeper into their secrets in the next segment. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us shift our focus to something so immense, so colossal, that it defies comprehension: the Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall. This is not a wall in any earthly sense, but rather the largest known structure in the universe, a galactic superstructure spanning an unfathomable length of roughly 10 billion light-years. To put this into perspective, light, which travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second, would take 10 billion years just to cross it. This mind-boggling expanse challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe's uniformity, a principle that suggests matter should be evenly distributed when viewed at a large enough scale. The existence of such a massive structure throws this assumption into question, leaving scientists grappling with new theories and ideas to explain how something so vast could form. The Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall consists of clusters upon clusters of galaxies, gravitationally bound together, creating a cosmic tapestry of unimaginable proportions. Its discovery was made possible through the observation of gamma-ray bursts, the brightest explosions in the universe, which helped map out the structure's enormous boundaries. Studying this Great Wall not only deepens our understanding of the universe's architecture, but also reminds us of how much we have yet to uncover. It stands as a testament to the universe's grand design, full of mysteries that continue to challenge and expand our cosmic horizons. And if you think this is the pinnacle of mind-blowing cosmic phenomena, just wait as we uncover even more astonishing discoveries ahead. Now turning to one of the most enchanting phenomena in the cosmos, let us explore the birthplace of stars' stellar nurseries. These are vast, dark clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born, forming some of the most visually stunning regions in space. Within these nurseries, gravity works its magic, pulling together material until the pressure and temperature become so intense that nuclear fusion ignites, marking the birth of a star. One of the most famous examples of a stellar nursery is the Orion Nebula, located about 1,300 light-years from Earth. This vibrant cloud, filled with glowing gases and young stars, offers a breathtaking glimpse into the universe's ability to create light from darkness. Images from powerful telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope reveal intricate structures within these nurseries, showing us the delicate interplay of forces shaping new stars. Stellar nurseries are not just cradles of new life, but also cosmic laboratories where elements necessary for planets and even life itself are forged. These regions are a reminder of the universe's infinite creativity, crafting everything from massive stars destined to become supernova to smaller stars like our Sun, all within these celestial wombs. As we marvel at these awe-inspiring formations, let us prepare to uncover even more remarkable secrets that lie waiting beyond the stars. Moving forward, let us journey to a truly extraordinary world, an exoplanet named WASP-76b, where weather takes on an entirely otherworldly dimension. This distant planet, located about 640 light-years away in the constellation of Pisces, boasts temperatures so extreme that they reach over 2,400 degrees Celsius on its star-facing side. These scorching conditions are hot enough to vaporize iron. Remarkably, powerful winds sweep this iron vapor to the planet's cooler night side, where it condenses and falls from the sky as molten metal rain. Just imagine a planet where droplets of liquid iron fall like rain, creating a landscape unlike anything we can fathom on Earth. WASP-76b also belongs to a category of exoplanets known as ultra-hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit their stars so closely that their atmospheres are superheated to incredible degrees. This extreme environment has fascinated scientists, as studying such planets may unlock insights into how atmospheres behave under the most hostile conditions. The discovery of WASP-76b serves as a reminder of the unimaginable diversity of worlds that exist beyond our solar system, each with its own unique story to tell. As we continue to explore these remarkable planets, we uncover clues that deepen our understanding of the universe's boundless creativity. Now turning to a fascinating revelation about our galaxy, let us focus on an unexpected sensory discovery. The center of the Milky Way, while being an area packed with stars, black holes, and cosmic dust, also holds a surprising chemical secret. Scientists have detected a molecule known as ethyl formate in a massive dust cloud near the galactic core. Ethyl formate is a compound that plays a key role in creating the sweet scent of raspberries and the distinct aroma of rum. This discovery was made using radio telescopes that analyze the spectral signatures of molecules in space. While the dust cloud itself is far from being a hospitable place with extreme radiation and frigid temperatures, the presence of such a familiar molecule is both remarkable and puzzling. It sparks curiosity about the chemistry of our galaxy and what other surprising compounds might be lurking in the far reaches of space. This tiny connection between the cosmos and something so ordinary on Earth reminds us that the building blocks of life and matter are shared across the universe. It is a poetic glimpse into how interconnected we may be with the stars that surround us. Moving forward, let us uncover an astonishing fact that brings the vastness of space into the confines of our own planet. While space is famously frigid, with temperatures plunging to near absolute zero in its coldest regions, the coldest place in the universe is not among the distant stars or in the shadow of some remote planet. It is, in fact, right here on Earth. Scientists have managed to replicate conditions colder than outer space in sophisticated laboratories by creating something called Bose-Einstein condensates. These are an extraordinary state of matter where atoms are cooled to just a fraction above absolute zero, causing them to behave in ways that defy our everyday understanding of physics. This groundbreaking work is not limited to Earth alone. Similar experiments are conducted on the International Space Station, where microgravity allows scientists to study these condensates in ways that are impossible on the ground. By pushing the boundaries of extreme temperatures, researchers are unlocking incredible insights into quantum mechanics and the fundamental nature of the universe. This fact reminds us that some of the most awe-inspiring breakthroughs in space exploration happen not millions of miles away, but right here in the laboratories and research stations of our own planet. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us venture farther into the solar system to explore the peculiarities of Uranus, a planet that defies expectations in more ways than one. A year on Uranus, believe it or not, lasts a staggering 84 Earth years. This means that if you were born on Uranus, you would have to wait more than 80 years of Earth time just to celebrate your first birthday. But that is not all. Uranus' lengthy orbit around the Sun is paired with its extreme axial tilt. Unlike most planets that spin upright or at a slight angle, Uranus spins almost completely on its side. This quirk results in some of the most extreme seasons imaginable. Picture this: one hemisphere basks in sunlight for decades while the other remains in complete darkness, only for the situation to reverse later. This unique rotation axis has puzzled scientists for years, with theories suggesting that a massive collision during Uranus formation might have knocked it over. The planet's icy blue color, caused by methane in its atmosphere absorbing red light and reflecting blue, only adds to its otherworldly charm. Uranus reminds us that the cosmos is full of fascinating surprises, each one challenging what we think we know about the mechanics of planetary systems. Now turning to the vast expanse of space beyond our solar system, let us unravel a truly mind-bending concept: the edge of the observable universe. While the universe itself is estimated to be 13.8 billion years old, the observable universe stretches an astonishing 93 billion light-years across. You might wonder, how can this be? The explanation lies in the continuous expansion of space itself. As light travels from distant galaxies toward us, the space between those galaxies and Earth expands, making them appear even farther away than they were when their light first began its journey. Think of it like blowing air into a balloon with dots on its surface. As the balloon inflates, the dots move farther apart. Every point in the universe experiences this same expansion, creating a horizon beyond which light has not had enough time to reach us. This limit is what we call the observable universe. Beyond this point, there could be countless galaxies, stars, and cosmic wonders completely hidden from our sight. The sheer scale of 93 billion light-years reminds us of just how incomprehensibly vast the cosmos is, leaving us to marvel at how much more there is to explore beyond our present reach. Moving forward, let us explore an event that will transform the very nature of our cosmic neighborhood, the eventual collision between our Milky Way galaxy and the Andromeda galaxy. Though this monumental event is still a mind-boggling 4.5 billion years away, astronomers have already mapped out its remarkable details. Andromeda, currently located about 2.5 million light-years from Earth, is hurtling toward the Milky Way at an astonishing speed of over 100,000 kilometers per hour. This collision will not result in the destruction of stars as you might expect, but rather a dramatic reshuffling of their positions due to the vast distances between them. When the two galaxies merge, they will form an entirely new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda, characterized by an intricate blend of stars from both original galaxies. While it is unlikely that Earth will be directly affected, the night sky will be transformed into a dazzling display of cosmic beauty as Andromeda and the Milky Way intertwine. This galactic dance stands as a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe, reminding us that even objects as seemingly eternal as galaxies are constantly evolving. Now turning to an extraordinary discovery outside our solar system, we find exoplanet GJ436b, an enigmatic world with a feature that defies conventional planetary characteristics, a tail just like a comet. This Neptune-sized planet orbits so close to its star that its atmosphere cannot hold onto its lighter elements like hydrogen. The intense heat from the star causes the hydrogen gas to escape into space at an incredible rate, forming a massive, elongated tail that stretches for millions of kilometers behind the planet. Imagine a glowing, comet-like trail sculpted by stellar radiation and stellar winds as GJ436b races around its star. Scientists believe this dramatic phenomenon gives us a glimpse into the dynamic interactions between exoplanets and their host stars, revealing just how hostile and mesmerizing these distant worlds can be. It is fascinating to think that out there in the vast cosmos, planets like GJ436b challenge our understanding of how planets behave, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be unveiled. Moving forward, let us immerse ourselves in the mind-bending scale of the cosmos with a comparison that is sure to leave you awestruck. Imagine every single grain of sand on Earth, from the vast deserts to the endless stretches of sandy beaches. Scientists estimate that the number of stars in the universe far surpasses this staggering total. Current calculations suggest there are around 1 sextillion stars in the observable universe, which is a 1 followed by 21 zeros. To put this into perspective, if you were to count every grain of sand on all the beaches and deserts of Earth, you would still need to multiply that number several times over to even approach the number of stars that light up the cosmos. Just picture the star-filled skies on a crystal-clear night, multiplied endlessly across the fabric of space. This jaw-dropping comparison not only emphasizes the unfathomable scale of the universe, but also reminds us of how small and precious our own world is within this vast sea of stars. Each star represents its own potential solar system, some of which may harbor planets that could resemble our own Earth, making the universe not only vast but also full of infinite possibilities. With numbers so immense, it is no wonder that the cosmos continues to capture our imagination, challenging us to explore and understand its endless mysteries. Now turning to our closest celestial neighbor, let us explore a phenomenon that might surprise you. The Moon experiences moonquakes. Unlike earthquakes on our planet, these tremors occur due to entirely different factors. Scientists have identified that moonquakes are primarily caused by Earth's gravitational pull, constantly tugging on the Moon as it orbits our planet. Additionally, temperature changes on the Moon's surface, which can swing dramatically between day and night due to its lack of atmosphere, also contribute to these quakes. Data gathered during the Apollo missions revealed the Moon's internal seismic activity through instruments left on its surface, showing that moonquakes can range from minor tremors to surprisingly strong vibrations. Some of these quakes last for as long as 10 minutes, far longer than most quakes on Earth. This discovery offers valuable insights into the Moon's internal structure, as every vibration provides clues about its composition and geological history. Just imagine our seemingly silent and still Moon occasionally trembling beneath its cratered surface, a reminder that even our familiar lunar companion holds hidden mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Moving forward, let us set our sights on the mysterious red planet Mars. One of the most intriguing aspects of Mars is that a single day there, also known as a sol, is astonishingly similar in length to a day on Earth. While our days last 24 hours, a Mars day lasts just a little longer, 24 hours and 37 minutes to be precise. This small difference is fascinating because it makes the idea of human colonization on Mars slightly more practical. A similar day-night cycle means that future Martian settlers could adapt to life on the planet with far fewer adjustments to their internal biological clocks compared to planets with drastically different rotations. This alignment could simplify scheduling for daily tasks, work routines, and even farming on Mars. The comparable day length raises exciting possibilities for how humans might one day call Mars home, bridging the gap between a foreign world and the rhythms of life we are accustomed to. As fascinating as this is, the uniqueness of Mars does not stop here. Its landscapes hold even more surprises waiting to be explored. Now turning to the enigmatic world of Saturn's largest moon, Titan, we discover a landscape that bears an uncanny resemblance to Earth, yet exists in an entirely alien form. Titan is the only place beyond our planet where we have evidence of stable bodies of liquid on the surface, but here, instead of water, the lakes, rivers, and seas are made of liquid methane and ethane. This unique phenomenon occurs because Titan's surface temperatures are incredibly cold, averaging around -179 degrees Celsius, allowing these hydrocarbons to remain in liquid form. Picture vast, mirror-like lakes stretching over the Moon's surface, with winding methane rivers carving through its icy plains. These features create a striking parallel to Earth's water cycle, since Titan also experiences rain, evaporation, and condensation, but entirely with methane. The discovery of these landscapes came to us thanks to the groundbreaking Cassini mission, which revealed high-resolution images of this distant Moon's surface. These images showcased lakes surrounded by rugged terrain, and even suggested that some of these bodies of liquid are as large as Earth's Great Lakes. Such findings have sparked curiosity about the potential for prebiotic chemistry on Titan, making it one of the most intriguing spots in the solar system for further exploration. As we marvel at Titan's ethereal beauty and wonder about the possibilities it holds, another fascinating celestial body awaits on the horizon, promising yet more cosmic revelations. Moving forward, let us travel to the icy depths of our solar system to uncover one of its most peculiar wonders. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, stands out with a truly unique characteristic: it spins on its side. Unlike most planets that spin upright like a spinning top, Uranus behaves more like a rolling ball, with its axis tilted at an extraordinary angle of 98 degrees. This means that for parts of its orbit, one pole faces the Sun directly while the other is plunged into darkness, creating extreme seasonal variations that last for decades. Scientists believe that this unusual tilt may be the result of a colossal collision with an Earth-sized object early in its history, knocking the planet onto its side. This theory is supported by computer simulations and observations of Uranus' oddly shaped magnetic field, which also tilts significantly from the planet's rotational axis. Adding to the mystery, Uranus rings and moons also follow this sideways orientation, suggesting that the entire system may have been affected by this ancient impact. This fascinating tilt not only intrigues scientists but also offers a rare perspective on planetary dynamics, opening doors to deeper questions about the chaotic environments in young solar systems. As we reflect on Uranus' sideways spin and its enigmatic history, our journey continues to reveal more astonishing secrets lurking in the cosmos. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us turn our attention to the blazing heart of our solar system, the Sun. This colossal sphere of plasma is so immense that 1 million Earths could fit inside it. To put that into perspective, imagine stacking 1 million tiny marbles into a single beach ball. This remarkable analogy hardly does justice to the sheer magnitude of the Sun. Its diameter alone is roughly 109 times that of Earth, which means you could line up 109 Earths across its face and still have room to spare. Beyond its staggering size, the Sun's incredible mass accounts for 99.8% of the total mass in our solar system, anchoring the planets in place through its immense gravitational pull. This comparison underscores just how vast and powerful our nearest star truly is, serving as a humbling reminder of humanity's relatively small presence in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. As we marvel at the Sun's jaw-dropping dimensions, each fact brings us closer to understanding the incredible forces that shape our universe. Moving forward, our exploration of celestial wonders continues to illuminate the surprising mysteries of space. Now turning to a fascinating phenomenon in the cosmos, let us explore the mysterious rogue planets. These are planets that roam freely in space without being bound to a host star. Imagine a world adrift in the dark void of the galaxy, untethered and silent, moving along an uncertain path. Scientists have discovered these rogue planets through a method called gravitational microlensing. This technique involves observing the way the planet's gravitational field bends and magnifies the light of a distant star as it passes in front of it, creating a brief but detectable effect. Unlike traditional planets that glow faintly by reflecting their star's light, rogue planets remain hidden in the darkness, making their detection a remarkable feat of ingenuity and technology. Some scientists theorize that rogue planets were ejected from their original solar systems during chaotic formation processes, while others may have formed independently, far away from the warmth of any star. These elusive wanderers challenge our understanding of planet formation and survival, highlighting the sheer unpredictability of the universe. The existence of these lonely planets reminds us of the vast, uncharted diversity of worlds that await discovery and the ever-present potential for surprises in the infinite expanse of space. Moving forward, our journey continues to unravel even more extraordinary facets of the cosmos. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us uncover a surprising truth about our own planet. Did you know that Earth's atmosphere reaches far beyond what most people imagine? The outermost layer of our atmosphere, called the exosphere, extends far beyond the surface and stretches out to an incredible distance, so far, in fact, that it overlaps the orbit of the Moon. This means that when astronauts have traveled to the Moon, they were technically still within the faintest edges of Earth's atmosphere. The exosphere is composed of extremely thin particles, so sparse that it is practically a vacuum. However, these particles continue to drift outward, forming a wispy boundary that merges into the emptiness of space. This fascinating discovery was made using advanced satellite data, which revealed just how vast and extensive our planet's atmospheric reach truly is. It serves as a reminder of the complex and interconnected nature of our planet's environment, and how much there is still to learn about the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Venturing further, we dive back into the mysteries of the universe, uncovering even more astonishing secrets that redefine our understanding of space. Moving forward, let us explore another surprising effect of space on the human body. Did you know that astronauts can actually grow taller while in space? In the absence of gravity, the compression on the spine that we experience here on Earth is greatly reduced. This allows the vertebrae in the spinal column to expand slightly, often making astronauts grow by about 2 to 5 centimeters during their time in orbit. However, this fascinating phenomenon is temporary. Once they return to Earth and gravity takes hold again, their height gradually returns to normal. This change, though brief, demonstrates the incredible ways in which the human body adapts to microgravity environments. It also highlights the need for ongoing research to understand how extended periods in space can affect our biology, especially as we look toward longer missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. With this in mind, let us continue our journey through the cosmos, uncovering even more extraordinary facts about the universe that challenge our perception of what is possible. Now turning to a truly astonishing comparison that brings the vastness of the cosmos and the richness of our own planet into perspective. Did you know that Earth has more trees than there are stars in the Milky Way? While our galaxy is estimated to contain between 100 billion and 400 billion stars, scientists have calculated that there are approximately 3 trillion trees on Earth. That means there are several times more trees on our planet than stars within the Milky Way. This remarkable fact not only highlights the abundance of life on Earth, but also serves as a humbling reminder of how unique and intricate our natural world is in comparison to the vast, star-filled expanse of space. Imagine the sheer scale of a trillion. If you were to count each tree on Earth one by one, it would take you thousands of years to finish. This unexpected statistic underscores the diversity and richness of our planet's ecosystems, even as we continue to gaze at the stars in awe. It is a profound way to appreciate the beauty of both the universe above and the natural wonders that surround us here at home. As we marvel at this incredible fact, let us move forward to uncover even more revelations about the cosmos that connect us to the greater mysteries of existence. Moving forward, let us shift our gaze to something that is both a marvel of human ingenuity and a testament to the possibilities of space exploration. Did you know that the International Space Station travels at a staggering speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour? At this incredible velocity, the station completes an orbit around our planet roughly every 90 minutes. This means that astronauts aboard the station experience a sunrise and sunset 16 times every single day. Picture this: while we on Earth are bound to the rhythm of one sunrise and sunset every 24 hours, the crew aboard the station witness the beauty of Earth from orbit multiple times in just a matter of hours. It is a stunning reminder of how small our world becomes when viewed from the perspective of space. This incredible speed is not just a testament to the technological advancements that made the station possible, but also a vivid demonstration of the dynamics of orbital mechanics, which allows the station to stay aloft above our planet. As we marvel at the International Space Station racing around Earth, we are reminded of the extraordinary achievements that humanity can accomplish when we work together to explore the final frontier. Now, let us continue our journey to uncover even more astonishing facts about the mysteries of the cosmos. Now turning to Mars, we uncover an awe-inspiring feature that truly showcases the planet's dramatic landscape. Did you know that Mars is home to the largest canyon in the entire solar system? It is called Valles Marineris, a colossal canyon system that stretches over 4,000 kilometers in length, making it nearly 10 times longer than the Grand Canyon on Earth. To put that into perspective, if Valles Marineris were placed on our planet, it would span almost the entire width of the continental United States. But its length is not its only staggering dimension. This canyon system is up to 7 kilometers deep and 200 kilometers wide in certain areas, creating a truly gargantuan scar across the Martian surface. Scientists believe that this immense canyon system likely formed billions of years ago due to tectonic activity as the planet cooled and its crust cracked, followed by erosion that further shaped its walls and valleys. This geological feature provides an extraordinary window into the violent and complex processes that have shaped Mars over time. Exploring Valles Marineris not only gives us a deeper appreciation for the scale of the red planet, but also offers clues about its geological history and the possibility of past water flows. As we marvel at this natural wonder from across the vastness of space, it sparks a sense of curiosity and wonder about what other secrets Mars might still hold. Moving forward, let us journey beyond Mars to uncover more astonishing phenomena scattered across the cosmos. Moving forward, let us focus on an intriguing fact that might seem hard to believe. Did you know that if you lined up all the planets in our solar system side by side, their combined diameters would fit perfectly into the distance between Earth and the Moon? That distance, which is 384,400 kilometers, might sound vast, but when you consider the size of planets like Jupiter, Saturn, and even tiny Mercury, it becomes a breathtaking realization of how much space lies between us and our lunar neighbor. To visualize this, imagine Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, taking up a massive chunk of that distance, with Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune adding their bulk, while the smaller terrestrial planets like Venus, Mars, and Earth itself fill in the gaps. Even tiny Pluto, though no longer officially classified as a planet, could sneak into the lineup and still leave room to spare. This mind-boggling fact highlights not just the scale of the planets, but also the remarkable distances that define our solar system. It serves as a reminder of how much empty space surrounds us, even within our own celestial neighborhood. As we ponder this astonishing alignment, it underscores how vast and awe-inspiring the cosmos truly is, sparking curiosity about how such distances shape the dynamics of our solar system. Next, let us turn our gaze to another captivating lunar myth that has puzzled many for generations. Now turning to the next fascinating topic, let us unravel the mystery of the so-called dark side of the Moon, a concept that has captivated imaginations for years yet is far from accurate. Contrary to popular belief, there is no permanent dark side of the Moon. Instead, the Moon is tidally locked to Earth, meaning the same side always faces us due to its synchronized rotation and orbit. This gives the impression that the far side of the Moon, the one we never see, remains in perpetual darkness. However, this is not the case. Like Earth, the Moon experiences day and night cycles as sunlight illuminates different parts of its surface. Over the course of a lunar month, the far side of the Moon receives sunlight just as the near side does. The difference lies in our perspective, as we are only ever able to observe one hemisphere of the Moon from Earth. To visualize this, imagine the Moon slowly spinning on its axis while simultaneously orbiting Earth, with the Sun casting light across its surface. This elegant dance creates lunar days and nights, ensuring that no part of the Moon is left in eternal shadow. Understanding this phenomenon not only debunks the myth of a dark side, but also highlights the intricate interplay of celestial mechanics that governs our closest cosmic companion. Up next, let us shift our focus from the Moon to explore a breathtaking discovery on Pluto, where its frozen surface holds a heart-shaped secret. Now turning to the icy realms of Pluto, prepare to be amazed by a remarkable feature that has warmed the hearts of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. On Pluto's frozen surface lies a massive heart-shaped glacier known as Tombaugh Regio, named in honor of Clyde Tombaugh, the astronomer who discovered Pluto in the year 1930. This iconic formation, first revealed during NASA's groundbreaking New Horizons mission, stretches across an area roughly 1,000 miles wide, making it comparable in size to the state of Texas. But what makes this heart-shaped region even more fascinating is its composition and behavior. Tombaugh Regio is primarily made of nitrogen ice and serves as a dynamic, geologically active area. Unlike the lifeless terrains we might expect from a distant dwarf planet, this glacier is thought to exhibit convection, with nitrogen ice slowly cycling and reshaping its surface over time due to Pluto's internal heat. Adding to the intrigue, the heart-shaped feature also provides clues about Pluto's unique atmosphere. researchers believe that the nitrogen ice sublimates or turns directly into gas during portions of Pluto's orbit, contributing to a thin but fascinatingly complex atmosphere. This process links the icy plains of Tombaugh Regio to Pluto's atmospheric cycles, creating a dynamic interaction that continues to astound scientists. The discovery of this strikingly beautiful region is a testament to the power of modern space exploration, offering a glimpse into the surprising complexity of even the most remote corners of our solar system. Moving forward, let us venture beyond Pluto's icy frontier to uncover the enigma of dark energy and dark matter, which make up the vast majority of our universe yet remain some of its greatest mysteries. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us unravel one of the most perplexing and profound mysteries of the cosmos, the dominance of dark energy and dark matter. Imagine this: everything you see around you, from the ground beneath your feet to the most distant stars and galaxies, is made up of what scientists call ordinary matter. Yet, astonishingly, this familiar substance accounts for only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is composed of two enigmatic entities, dark energy and dark matter, which scientists are still struggling to fully comprehend. Dark matter, which makes up approximately 27% of the universe, acts as an invisible scaffolding, holding galaxies together with its immense gravitational pull. Though it does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, its presence is inferred through its gravitational effects on visible matter, such as stars and galaxies. Without dark matter, the cosmos as we know it would lack the structure and cohesion that allows galaxies to exist. But as mysterious as dark matter is, dark energy is even more baffling. Constituting about 68% of the universe, dark energy is believed to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the cosmos. Picture this: instead of the universe gradually slowing down after the Big Bang, it is inexplicably speeding up as if propelled by an unseen force. Dark energy is theorized to drive this expansion, yet its nature and origin remain one of the greatest puzzles in cosmology. Together, dark energy and dark matter challenge our understanding of physics, reminding us that the cosmos holds secrets far beyond what we can currently observe or measure. As we continue to probe the universe's hidden depths, these mysteries invite us to question and expand the limits of human knowledge. Now, as we move from the shadowy realm of the unseen to the stunningly visible, let us explore the curious phenomenon of Venus and its unusual rotation. Now turning to Venus, let us uncover one of the most fascinating oddities in our solar system: its peculiar backward spin. Unlike most planets which rotate in the same direction as they orbit the Sun, Venus spins in the opposite direction. This retrograde rotation means that if you were standing on Venus, you would witness the Sun rising in the west and setting in the east, a truly mind-bending experience. Scientists have long puzzled over why Venus deviates from the norm, and several intriguing theories have emerged. One possibility is that a gigantic collision with a massive celestial body early in Venus's history caused it to flip its axis. Another theory suggests that gravitational interactions with the Sun and other planets over billions of years gradually reversed its spin. Adding to the intrigue, Venus rotates incredibly slowly. A single day there lasts longer than an entire year on Earth. This slow, backward spin plays a crucial role in Venus's extreme surface conditions, where temperatures soar high enough to melt lead. These unusual characteristics make Venus a constant source of fascination, offering clues about planetary formation and evolution. With this spin of curiosity, we now travel further into the realm of the extraordinary to uncover the secrets of a black hole's enigmatic event horizon. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us dive into the enigmatic realm of black holes, specifically their mysterious event horizons. Often referred to as the point of no return, the event horizon is the boundary beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape the immense gravitational pull of a black hole. But what lies beyond this shadowy frontier? Scientists believe that crossing the event horizon may lead into a region where the very fabric of space and time becomes warped in unimaginable ways. Here, the laws of physics as we know them could break down entirely. Some theories suggest that time itself slows dramatically the closer you get to the event horizon, creating an almost mind-boggling distortion of reality. Beyond it, the core of a black hole, known as the singularity, is thought to be a point of infinite density where all the black hole's mass is concentrated. While this concept stretches our understanding of the universe, it brings up even more questions. Could black holes connect to other universes? Are they gateways to previously hidden dimensions? These theories remain largely speculative, as our current technology cannot directly observe what happens inside a black hole. However, as scientists continue to study these cosmic enigmas, they bring us closer to unraveling some of the deepest mysteries of existence. From these mesmerizing gravitational giants, we now shift our gaze to the largest moon in the solar system, a frozen world with secrets of its own. Now turning to Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system and a celestial wonder that dwarfs even the planet Mercury in size. Orbiting the mighty planet Jupiter, Ganymede holds the title of not only being the largest moon, but also the only moon known to possess its very own magnetic field. This magnetic field creates dazzling auroras near its poles, subtle glowing regions caused by interactions with Jupiter's powerful magnetosphere. Beneath its icy crust, scientists believe Ganymede harbors a salty ocean that may contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. This deep ocean, kept warm by tidal heating and perhaps a rocky seafloor, raises exciting possibilities for the existence of life. The surface of Ganymede is a fascinating mix of dark, heavily cratered regions and lighter areas marked by grooves and ridges, hinting at tectonic activity in its distant past. These features make Ganymede a key target for future space exploration, as unraveling its secrets could shed light on the potential for habitability within our solar system. As we marvel at this frozen giant, we now pivot to an equally astounding fact about our Sun, and how its size puts the scale of our solar system into jaw-dropping perspective. Moving forward, let us shift our gaze to the heart of our solar system, the Sun, whose colossal size is nearly incomprehensible. Imagine this: the Sun's volume is so vast that it could hold approximately 1,300,000 Earths within it. To put that in perspective, picture filling a hollow sphere with Earth-sized marbles. The sheer scale of the Sun doesn't stop there. Its mass is about 330,000 times greater than Earth's, making it the gravitational anchor that keeps our solar system intact. This immense mass accounts for over 99% of the total mass of the entire solar system. Its incredible size and gravitational pull ensure the planets, moons, and other celestial objects stay in their orbits. The Sun's energy output, driven by nuclear fusion in its core, is equally staggering, producing enough energy every single second to power human civilization for millions of years. Such extraordinary dimensions and capacities remind us just how small our home planet is in the grand scheme of the cosmos. And as we ponder the enormity of our stellar neighbor, the next fact takes us to distant, fiery worlds where molten lava oceans redefine what a planet can be. Now turning to planets that challenge our very understanding of what a world can be, let's explore exoplanets so scorching hot that their surfaces are literal oceans of molten lava. Take Kepler-10b, for instance. This exoplanet orbits dangerously close to its star, completing a full orbit in less than a day. The intense proximity results in surface temperatures that soar to over 2,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock into liquid. Imagine standing on a planet where rivers and lakes are replaced by glowing streams of lava, and the air itself shimmers with heat. Scientists believe that on such planets, rock vaporizes and forms a thin atmosphere of rocky particles, creating a surreal and hostile environment unlike anything we know on Earth. These fiery worlds offer a glimpse into the extreme possibilities of planetary formation and remind us that the universe is filled with places that defy our wildest imaginations. As we leave these molten landscapes behind, the mysteries of Neptune and Uranus await, where rain takes on a sparkling and unexpected form. Now turning to the distant icy giants of our solar system, Neptune and Uranus, prepare to uncover a phenomenon so dazzling that it feels like something out of a cosmic fairy tale. Deep within the atmospheres of these planets, where pressures reach unimaginable levels, an extraordinary transformation occurs. Under these crushing conditions, carbon atoms are squeezed together, forming diamond crystals that rain down toward the planet's core. Scientists theorize that methane gas in the upper layers breaks apart, releasing carbon that settles deeper into the atmosphere. The intense heat and pressure force the carbon into its crystalline form, creating a literal storm of diamonds. Imagine shimmering diamond droplets cascading like rain, glittering as they sink into the depths of these icy worlds. This breathtaking process not only highlights the extremes of planetary science, but also reveals how the universe continues to astonish us with its endless creativity. As we marvel at this sparkling spectacle, our journey now accelerates through the cosmos, where the very fabric of space itself carries our solar system at unimaginable speeds. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us explore an astonishing reality about our solar system. Far from being stationary, our entire solar system is hurtling through the cosmos at the breathtaking speed of 828,000 kilometers per hour. This incredible motion is part of our orbit around the center of the Milky Way galaxy, a journey so vast it takes approximately 230 million years to complete just one revolution. Picture this: while our daily lives may feel steady and still, we are all passengers on a celestial voyage through the galaxy, traveling at speeds that defy comprehension. As our solar system races through this galactic path, it is not only the planets, moons, and the sun that make the journey, but also the asteroid belt, comets, and countless particles of cosmic dust. This orbital dance is driven by the immense gravitational pull of the Milky Way's dense core, where billions of stars, clusters, and even a supermassive black hole reside. Imagine the vastness of space that we traverse, a journey filled with wonders yet to be understood. This awe-inspiring fact serves as a reminder of how dynamic and interconnected the universe truly is. And just as galaxies like our own continue their eternal motions, we now turn our gaze to the silent but haunting remnants of once vibrant stars, resting in the cosmic graveyards of the universe. Now turning to a truly fascinating and solemn aspect of our universe, let us delve into the concept of galactic graveyards, where the remnants of once vibrant stars come to rest. When a star reaches the end of its life, it does not simply vanish. Instead, it undergoes a dramatic transformation, leaving behind astonishing remnants. For stars much larger than our Sun, this often means ending their lives in a spectacular explosion known as a supernova. What is left after this explosive finale can take on one of three extraordinary forms. The first possibility is a neutron star, a compact object so dense that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons. The second possibility is a black hole, an entity with gravity so strong that not even light can escape its pull, creating a mysterious and invisible region in space. Lastly, for stars of smaller mass, their final act may lead to the formation of a white dwarf, a glowing remnant that slowly cools over billions of years. These remnants are scattered throughout galaxies, forming what can be likened to cosmic cemeteries. Each serves as a haunting reminder of the life cycle of stars, from their fiery birth in stellar nurseries to their peaceful or violent ends. As we uncover more of these stellar relics, they tell us stories of the past, of the elements they forged, the energy they released, and the role they played in shaping the universe as we see it today. These cosmic graveyards, while somber in nature, also inspire wonder as they connect us to the grand narrative of creation, destruction, and transformation that defines the cosmos. And as we continue to peer further into these mysteries, our journey now takes us to the closest neighboring stars, offering a glimpse into the vastness that connects us to the galaxies beyond. Now turning to the stars nearest to our home in the cosmos, let us explore Alpha Centauri, a star system located just over 4 light-years away. This stellar neighborhood is not one but a collection of 3 stars: Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and their more distant companion, Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri holds the distinction of being the closest individual star to Earth besides the Sun, a fact that has fueled countless dreams of interstellar exploration. To put its proximity into perspective, light, traveling at its unimaginable speed, takes just over 4 years to reach us from Proxima Centauri. While this might seem nearby on a cosmic scale, the sheer distance is humbling when we consider current space travel. If we were to journey to these stars using today's fastest spacecraft, it would take tens of thousands of years to arrive. Adding to the intrigue, scientists have discovered that Proxima Centauri hosts at least one planet in its habitable zone, a region where conditions might allow liquid water to exist. This raises tantalizing questions about the potential for life beyond our solar system, and highlights how Alpha Centauri serves as a gateway to imagining humanity's future among the stars. Whether as a destination for robotic probes or a beacon for new technological breakthroughs, this nearby star system symbolizes both the vast challenges and the boundless possibilities of interstellar travel. As we ponder these prospects, our journey through the mysteries of space now takes us into the realm of the fastest phenomenon in the universe, a force of nature that redefines the limits of speed and power. As the next phase of the journey unveils, let us delve into the ultimate speed champion of the universe, light. Traveling at an extraordinary velocity of nearly 300,000 kilometers per second, light holds the title of the fastest phenomenon known to humankind. To grasp just how fast this is, consider this. If you could move at the speed of light, you would be able to circle the Earth 7.5 times in a single second. The speed of light is not just a marvel of nature, but a fundamental constant that shapes our understanding of the cosmos. According to the laws of physics as we currently understand them, nothing in the universe can surpass this incredible limit. Scientists have spent centuries unraveling the mysteries of light, revealing that its speed is not just a figure of awe but a boundary enshrined in the very fabric of spacetime. It is the cornerstone of Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, which tells us that the faster something moves, the more distorted time and space around it become. This means that as you approach the speed of light, time itself slows down for you relative to an outside observer, a phenomenon that feels more like science fiction than reality. While harnessing the speed of light for space travel remains far beyond our current technological grasp, the concept continues to inspire dreams of interstellar exploration and potential breakthroughs in the future. As we marvel at this ultimate speed limit of the universe, our journey through astonishing space facts gradually shifts focus toward the sheer scale of the observable universe and the staggering number of galaxies it contains. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us step into the boundless expanse of the cosmos to uncover one of the most staggering truths about our universe. The observable universe, the portion of the cosmos that we can detect with our most advanced telescopes and instruments, contains over 2 trillion galaxies. Yes, you heard that right, more than 2 trillion distinct galaxies, each bursting with billions or even trillions of stars. To truly grasp the enormity of this number, imagine that if each galaxy were the size of a grain of rice, you would have enough rice to fill nearly 5 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Even more astonishing is the fact that this number only accounts for what we can currently observe. Due to the finite speed of light and the expansion of the universe, there may be countless galaxies beyond our reach, hidden in regions of space where light has not yet had enough time to travel to us. Scientists estimate this mind-boggling figure through deep space surveys like the Hubble Ultra Deep Field, which captured images of galaxies so faint that their light took billions of years to arrive at Earth. Each speck of light in those images represents a galaxy teeming with stars, planets, and potentially even life. What does this immense number tell us about our place in the universe? It reveals both the vastness and the mystery of existence, reminding us of how small and yet significant we are in this grand tapestry of space and time. As we conclude this awe-inspiring journey through 50 surprising space facts, one thing becomes clear. The universe is not merely a place we inhabit. It is a boundless realm of wonder that continues to challenge our understanding and ignite our curiosity. If you enjoyed this adventure into the cosmos, be sure to share your favorite fact in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to join us for more journeys into the mysteries of space. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up. As we draw this cosmic journey to a close, let us take a moment to reflect on the 50 incredible space facts we've explored together. Each one, from the eerie silence of space to the unimaginable density of neutron stars and the discovery of entire planets made of diamonds, reveals a universe filled with wonder, complexity, and endless mysteries. These facts remind us of the boundless nature of the cosmos and how it continues to defy our understanding, sparking curiosity and driving the pursuit of knowledge. Space is not just a vast expanse of stars and galaxies. It is a place of inspiration, a reminder of how small and yet how extraordinary we are in the grand scheme of things. As new discoveries unfold, we gain not only a deeper understanding of the universe, but also a profound appreciation for our place within it. If you were amazed by one fact in particular, let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear which fact blew your mind the most. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the mysteries of space. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the endless possibilities that the universe holds.